Hello everyone, I just was getting ready for my training course this week in Clanfield with all my different tape measures and bits and pieces out, and I thought it might be a good idea to just give you a few tips about tape measures of all things. You'd think that they were all the same, but they're not, and some of them are much easier to use than others. So I thought I would show you some of the good things. So one of the things we've got here is a tension tape measure. We're pretending that the rolling pin is the arm. So we just press that and then we accurately take a measurement reading from here. These are good. We've got another tension tape measure here. This is like the one we used in the second lot of research. These are also good, but you might need to get a slim one. So this one here is wider. This would be difficult to use on a smaller arm, but nevertheless it means that you can be consistent with the tension. Those of you that have trained with me, you'll have seen me with my yellow tape measure. This one's my favourite. I particularly like this one for a couple of reasons. It's got an extra handle at the end before the numbers start, so that makes it easier when you're wrapping it round the arm to get your measurements and hold the end. But it also has markings on it on the top and the bottom side, which means that whichever way round you meet, you don't have a problem reading the millimetres, because sometimes the change is only a few millimetres difference. So the other good thing about this one is the number of the centimetre is actually on the line that is the centimetre. There are others, okay, now this one here. This one here, you'll see that the number of the centimetre has been put in between, halfway between. So that sometimes can be confusing. Here you wouldn't know if that was 10 point something or 11 point something. There's that one. There's another type to warn you against as well, really. Although this one has a little handle on the end, and it's got the numbers listed at the line. Again, it's only got markings on the top, but better on the bottom as well. But when you move up after 10 centimetres, between 10 and 20, and then 20 and 30, it just says 1 instead of 11, or 2 instead of 12. And this can be really confusing when you're trying to measure the circumference. This one here is another nice one. It's got a handle at the end. It's got the numbers actually on the line of the centimetre, and the millimetres are marked also top and bottom. So something like that is best for accurate measuring. You'd be surprised how many different tape measures there are, and it can make all the difference when there's only a few different millimetres. I also get asked, what's a flexible ruler? So I thought this would be a good chance to include this. This is my flexible ruler. They're easy to find. You can just find them in a supermarket. Sometimes people get the shatterproof ones, but they don't contour to the arm or the hand as well as this one does. And you'll see this one's actually been pre-marked at 4 centimetre intervals. So thank you everyone. I just thought that may save people who are coming on the training, whether you're coming to Clanfield this weekend or whether you're going to be in Florida later in the month. A few little tips there about tape measures. So bye for now.